Hold up now, take your time, let me get this right. You tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but take it from me.
Hey loves, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It was an evening and I'd come from a date with my friend. I was just tired, like super tired, but I still had to go to the gym and do 1 2 3 first before I could come home and now just continue with the night. But first we have to remove all that makeup and the jewelry that I was wearing and the outfit too and put on our gym wears. I prefer putting back my sunglasses and the jewelry where they're supposed to be, because you know these jewelry, like they are tiny things, especially the earrings that I wore. Once you just put them, it like just mishandle them, they tend to get lost. So I rather just put them where they're supposed to be, so that next time when I just want to use them, I know where I'll get them. Yeah, so just me here grabbing my skincare, my makeup remover and my cotton wool so that I can go and remove all that makeup from my face. But before that, we have to put this headband so that we can put the hair back, it doesn't come to our face as we remove our makeup. Then grabbed these baby wipes. I got these baby wipes, it's my first time using these baby wipes, but they're pretty good. I like them, though I use Selfcare wipes, but these ones they're also good, but my all-time favorite is always the Selfcare baby wipes. Hey loves, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to an unwind stroke evening routine with me. So I'm from a date, and right now I just want to go head to the gym first, then after that I can come back and continue doing my stuff. I'm a bit late, but hopefully I'll be able to catch up. I'm just going to be staying there like an hour and a half, then I come back. So let's go. I've changed my gym tie because the other one was just not yeah, so I did something, I wore something else. Let me go and show you my outfit, gym outfit of the day, then we go. I'm wearing this perfume, Berry's Weekend. One thing about me, I love smelling good even when I'm in the gym. Gym fit of the day, the top is still the same, the tight it's the different one. Yeah, so let's go. Already at the gym, and today was glutes day. We are about to hit those glutes, girl. Yeah. We gotta work them out, so it's just me now working out. Finally home, and I was tired, but this is now the time we start our night routine. But first we have to draw those curtains because I'd left them open. I decided to boil the eggs first before I could go and take a shower because they tend to take a lot of time. Was done with the shower and now it's time to do my skincare. And today I did my skincare after showering. Like, I tend to interchange, like I don't have a specific way how I do my skincare. I can do it before taking a shower or after, so it just depends with the mood on how I was feeling. And today I was using that exfoliating gloves because anytime I do my makeup I prefer washing my face with the gloves so that it can just remove that excess dirt. I feel like my face is always like very dirty after doing my makeup, so I rather use the exfoliating gloves than using my hands. And this is me just wearing my robe, then we can deal with our body, doing some body care.
On the corners of your mind helps my body to unwind. Don't waste time. You said you love the way I noticed how you look into my eyes right before we cross the line. The way we grind. Keep me safe in your arms. There's a warmth in your kiss. Don't let go of my breath. There's something in your
After my lotion, I took my body splash and just sprayed it around my body so that I can just smell good. Now we are done with that. I'm now going to take care of this hair but I wanted that hairstyle to remain, so that's why I didn't like remove it, because the next day I wanted to do something. And this was the scent of the night. I'm in love with this scent. It smells so good, and let me tell you, when someone tells you that what are you wearing, that scent is so good, that's when you know you're wearing something nice. I will highly recommend it. So I was done with everything and now it was time to do some cleanup. I'd left my kitchen when it was dirty. Don't judge, okay? But before that I had to put something on my laptop so that I can watch like the latest vlog, just catching up with my favorite YouTubers as I continue like doing some house chores. Was done with washing the utensils, and now it was time to clean up my makeup brushes, because you know me, I don't like dirty makeup brushes.
Why you know they get my time? Is there someone else? Yeah, you did do me corneo.
My kitchen was now clean, and at least now I can do something else, and I want to prepare now dinner. Guys, tell me, like, comment down below, like, do you feel your mind or head like being clogged when you have like a dirty house, yani a dirty space? You feel like you're not moving forward. I feel like sometimes I'm just stressed because of my house is not clean, and the moment I just clean it, I feel that like refreshing mind, just feels so good. Yeah. And now for today, we are going to be preparing spaghetti. That's what I wanted to prepare, and I wanted to blend. I was blending the tomatoes and the onions so that I can make that paste for making egg curry. So that's what we are going to be having: spaghetti and egg curry.
It's my last heartbreak song. Nah, nah. I'll be good on all my own. Why you so quick to leave when we both could make it work? When I'm gone, I make you nervous. If you hurt me, I'll deserve. I've been acting foolishly.
Let me tell you guys, today my eggs behaved. They always come when they're just looking shapeless. I don't know if I was not giving it like the right amount of water time to boil, cause aki they were coming out shapeless. But today at least they behaved. They looked pretty. They looked presentable, not like the others that I always prepare. There is no egg curry without the curry itself, and I'm going to be adding like paprika for just some extra taste. Yeah, I'm going to be adding all that to that paste before we can add our eggs.
Nobody should call my phone. Nobody should call my phone. Nah, nah. This is my last heartbreak song. This is my last heartbreak song. Nah, nah. I'll be good all on my own. I'll be good on all my own. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh.
This is my dinner of the night, and it looked so good. You see the way it looks? Yeah, that's how it tastes. It tasted so good. Catching up with Ultimatum, the latest Ultimatum. I love this series, like I love it so much. If you haven't watched it, kindly do so. I would highly recommend. I love reality shows. They tend like to entertain me a lot. Was done with my dinner. I realized Aki had put like a lot of food. I ended up like not finishing it, but I had to put it aside so that it doesn't get spoiled. It was now time to brush my teeth before I could head to bed.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up.
And that's how my night was. Anyway guys, see you on my next video. Hope you got to enjoy this one. Love y'all.